Well, I brought you to the beach because I wanted to find out, give you an update on the beach, what they've been doing from when the beach got washed away about 3 weeks ago. And to be honest with you, by the look of it, you wouldn't know. You've been here all day, haven't you, Jamie?
Yes.
I've just said to Jamie, I want to go and check the beach. He's like, what do you mean? He didn't know. They fixed it, basically. You can have a look. You can see now it's all the holes are gone, but I mean this was completely, you know, washed away. There was big gouges everywhere. But will it happen again? I mean, rain season is upon us now.
That's the question, yeah.
When you get a big flood, but, I mean, half the problem is not really, well, they need runoff on the beach to drain off, but half the problem is that most of the drains are blocked in Pattaya. And before rain season, they should give them a good clean out. And I saw somebody told me a story, and it is actually quite true. There's a lot of the motorbike taxis, they'll put carpets over the drains, and the reason for this is because a lot of the street food vendors chuck the food down the drains, and they get smelly after a while when there's been no rain.
I do notice it.
So they put carpets on there to block the drains, to stop the smell coming up. But then when it rains, they're not moved, so that's what's, you know, the flood. So it's a lot of it's human area. This section here, there was a big gouge. As you can see, it's being filled in, but it's all completely fixed. I mean, say what you want, but you know, in Thailand they get things done pretty quick. This was the part that was damaged the most, opposite Soi 10, Soi Sip. This is where there was a big gouge here. You know, this is a 5-foot drop, over a metre, but it's all fixed. If you look at the top end up there, you can see where it's run in. There's still a gap there. Now I would have thought, I mean, I don't know whether they have, and it's probably unlikely, they'd have put some drains in out to sea whilst they all was there.
That's what they needed to do, yeah.
Yeah, but probably unlikely if they just filled it back in again. And in other news, I just want to say a big thank you for everybody who came to parties in April. Pretty crazy month. I'm glad it's over now. It's the 1st of May today. April is out the way, and I'm really happy about it.
It's been a hard month.
And you know what was nice in there as well to see, Jamie? There was lots of couples, wasn't there?
There was a lot of couples.
A lot of couples.
Great. A lot of nice people.
Yeah, and you know, on the last night, which was, well, the last sort of party night, which was on a Monday night, which is Wayne and Chris's birthday. I was surprised how busy it was again.
It was very busy.
And I'd had that much alcohol over the last few weeks. I couldn't even drink that night. I'm drinking water for a while now. I'm done in.
It's been a hard holiday. I need a holiday when I get home.
That's the problem, isn't it? And the problem is for me is there's a lot of people coming out. I've got mates out here at the moment, like Wayne, yourselves. Yeah. And so it's a lot of drinking, but I've just had to say no more now, not for a while, just having a break. Maybe on Friday when we do a challenge with Neil. Hopefully we do a challenge with Neil. That's another thing, challenge. I've been trying to do a challenge all week. It's supposed to be Wednesday today, then I pushed it back to Thursday. Now it looks like it's pushed back to Friday because Neil is sick at the moment. And in fact, we're going to go see him in a minute. We're going to meet him at Retox. His hotel's right by Retox. Came on Soi 10. I think he's staying at the Sabai. But he's sick. I took him to the pharmacy yesterday. Got him some antibiotics. I mean, I don't really suggest people take antibiotics, but when you're on holiday,
you need to do something.
You need to do something. You need to get rid of it fast. He's got a really bad chest. You know, he's full of it. He's absolutely full of it. A lot of the cause of this is using aircon in your room. I try not to use aircon. I've been in for the last 3 weeks because it's that hot, but I only use it in bits and I don't sleep with it on. When you're going out, you're staying out till all hours, and then you're going back to your room, you're putting your aircon on. This is what it always makes me sick, because they don't often clean these aircon machines out.
That's right. I've been choked on myself. That's terrible. Yeah.
And if anybody's got a cold or anything like that and they stayed in that room, then obviously it's going to be sucking it back through that ventilator. But yeah, let's go and meet Neil if he turns up, actually, because he is ill. On my way, I'm just popped to Mike's shopping mall behind me. I keep getting asked questions about when it's going to open. Now, what I do know originally was only supposed to be for 18 months. I think it's been nearly 2 years now, and it just seems to keep going up higher and higher and higher. What I'm told is that it's going to be a hotel. They're still going to have the shopping. You can still get to the shopping from Second Road. There's just an entrance on the left hand side, or you can get into my shopping mall from Beach Road. But it just keeps going higher and higher. So I presume that the pool, because they had a pool there what everybody used, that's gone now. I don't know whether they're going to do another one. I'll try and find out more information on it for you.
Photo for me. Bye-bye,
Cotton cab. Right, I've just come into the night bazaar on Second Road. And what I do is a little bit of advice for you. What footwear do I wear? I always wear not flip-flops, because I don't like that bit that goes through my toe. I come to the night bazaar here, this little shop, and I get a pair of these here. They're 200 baht, and they last me for about 4 weeks, and I renew them every 4 weeks. I've got loads of shoes here, I've got loads of trainers here, but I mean, look at Jamie here.
Exactly, that's who it is, folks.
It's incredibly hot at the moment, so you can't wear footwear, trainers and that. I can't anyway, it kills my feet. But yeah, just a nice pair of flip-flops. 200 baht every 4 weeks. Neil.
Hello.
Not very well, are you?
No.
What's the problem?
Wasn't the plan to come down with the flu on this trip?
Yeah, well, let's face it, he's been a bit mad, hasn't he?
It's been mad, but you catch the flu off somebody, don't you? Not off alcohol.
Saying that the first sort of few days I never saw you, did you? Because you disappeared to Cologne. You've obviously been speaking to some lady before you got here.
Maybe.
And he went to Cologne, which is fair play. Maybe you got it off here.
Maybe, who knows? But I'll go on, I behave like a monk. I was in bed at midnight every night.
Yeah, you got up here, didn't you? Not up.
Oh, there was breakfast at 8 AM. It was a normal life. Not even at home.
The time that I've come here with you many times, and you've always coped with the heat here. This time you've been struggling, haven't you?
I think everyone's been struggling.
Oh yeah.
Even the Thais. I live, it's not very often, it's 45 degrees at the hotel.
Right now, Neil, we're hoping that it's going to be better on Friday. We were supposed to be doing this challenge today, then it got put back till tomorrow, but there's no chance tomorrow. So we've got him on antibiotics. We'll see how he goes in the next 40 hours. I think he'll be alright though.
You hope I am. I hope I'm not.
Why? Why do you say that?
Joke. So what you're like.
What do you mean, what am I like?
Save it.
But Neil, come on. I've got some plans and it's good fun.
That's what worries me.
You're going to be alright, mate, don't worry. So, parties, mate. What have you done this time that's different than
What's different? Well, for a start, we started mixing with that lunatic, Chris me. He wants sex with him.
Chris from Extra Boy he's talking about.
I'm here drinking a bar drive, but he's drinking his own bar drive. On a regular basis.
Brilliant. So I was Cologne though, apart from the...
Great.
I'm going to go to Cologne because I've been before, it's 15 years ago, and I used to do scuba diving just off it. Now what puts me off Cologne, it's very touristy.
Yeah, but if you keep away from Town Beach, it's not so busy at all.
Right.
We went to Town Beach the first day. Mad.
Yeah.
I've been on the London Underground.
So
But then I had to go out on a motorbike and I found one called Newell Beach, what they call Monkey Beach, and that was great.
How many tours?
I'd say on Town there was thousands. On Newell there was probably 100 if that.
Still a lot.
Yeah, it was quite a big island.
Right. So what's it like at night time though? Because people go for the day thing, don't they?
That's why you have to be careful. Where the main part is, where the port is, that's just all restaurants and shops.
Yeah.
But luckily for us, where our hotel was where all the bars were,
Yeah.
which is like a kilometre going towards Newell Beach from the centre.
Right.
And there's about 5 bars there, 4 of them had live music on, but they were all on that.
Was it busy?
Yeah, they're all open till 2 AM, which is the norm on ours.
Yeah.
One was, the only one that was very quiet, it was a small family run bar. The other 4 they were quite big bars with, they all have new live music.
Right. So you recommend it?
Yeah.
You've been to Koh Samet 2 or 3 times now. What?
They're both good in different ways.
Yeah.
You know, Koh Samet, there ain't so many bars, as you know.
Yes. So there's more bars on
There's probably more bars on Koh Lot than there's on Koh Samet. And the good thing about it, they're all together, you haven't got, you know.
Yeah.
So, once you're there for the night, you're there.
Cool.
You haven't got to
So,
looking for it.
another question, and finally, have you not fallen in love this trip?
No. No. Not happening.
Is it ever going to happen?
I don't think so, no. We all know what it is, don't we?
Yeah. Right, guys, thank you for watching. Just a quick update with Neil. Oh, and little Nick. Where is he? I don't know. He hasn't. I've been messaging him for 24 hours. Seems to have disappeared again. But that's between you and the gatepost. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll be doing a challenge on Friday, won't we, Neil?
Possibly.
See you later.
Thank you.